Hi there. Yes, I'm a talking Muppet. I was stitched together with love, caffeine, and a bit of emotional damage. People say I look smart with these glasses, but let's be real, I only wear them to see the snack shelf more clearly.
Imagine this. You upload one photo, just one. Then you type a short script or even drop in your voice recording. Seconds later, that photo is talking, blinking, gesturing, nodding, just like you, just like a real person. No green screen, no camera crew, no acting, no editing, and absolutely no limits. Welcome to the era of HeyGen Avatar IV, where your image comes alive with nothing but AI magic. Launched in late April 2025, this new model is turning heads and blowing minds. Using a single photo, a script, and a dash of tech sorcery, HeyGen generates lifelike talking avatars that sync perfectly to your voice or chosen narration. We're not talking stiff, robotic animation here. Avatar 4 brings in micro-expressions, natural lip sync, head tilts, even realistic hand gestures, all guided by your tone and emotion. It's powered by a diffusion-inspired engine that reads between the lines of your voice. In this video, we're diving deep into how it works, what makes Avatar 4 so next level, and we'll show you 11 insane real-world demos, from newscasters to singing puppets to near-perfect deepfake-style creations. So buckle up, because what you're about to see might just change how content gets made forever. 1. What is HeyGen Avatar 4? So what exactly is HeyGen Avatar 4, and why is everyone calling it scary good? At its core, Avatar 4 is an AI-powered photo-to-video engine that transforms a single still image into a talking, blinking, moving digital human. It takes either your written script or a voice recording and generates a fully animated video, complete with lip sync, facial expressions, and even hand gestures. That's right, you can now go from static selfie to speaking avatar in under a minute. But it's not just slapping lips onto a JPEG. What makes Avatar 4 different is its diffusion-style audio-to-expression engine. That means it listens not just to what you say, but how you say it. Tone, emotion, rhythm, pauses, emphasis. It picks up the subtleties and animates the avatar to match. The result? A video that doesn't just look AI-generated, it looks like it could have been filmed on a high-end camera with a real actor. Even crazier, hand gestures are now part of the mix. In portrait, half-body or full-body formats, your avatar doesn't just talk. It moves naturally, adds emotion, adds flair, and it works in over 70 languages and 175 dialects, making it one of the most globally accessible avatar engines on the planet. The whole thing runs in the browser. No software, no GPU, no editing timeline. Just upload, script, voice, and generate. And that's it. What used to take a team of animators can now be done solo by you in seconds. 2. Top features breakdown. All right, now let's break down what makes HeyGen Avatar 4 so powerful, because this isn't just an update, it's a massive leap forward. Single image to video. You don't need multiple angles or 3D scans. Just one high-quality photo. Upload it, and Avatar 4 does the rest, turning it into a dynamic, talking avatar, perfect for profiles, brand characters, or even historical figures. Natural voice sync. This is the crown jewel. Avatar 4 uses a diffusion-based audio-to-expression engine that analyzes your voice's rhythm, pitch, tone, and pauses. It doesn't just sync lips, it expresses emotion. Think nods, blinks, head tilts, micro smirks. All in sync with your words. Authentic hand gestures. For the first time, avatars now include realistic hand and arm movements. Whether you're using a portrait or full body shot, the AI matches body language to the vocal tone, making the result feel surprisingly human. Fast and simple. The entire video is generated in seconds. No keyframes, no editing skills needed. It's ideal for quick intros, product videos, course content, or just showing off your alter ego online. Multilingual powerhouse. Avatar 4 supports over 70 languages and 175 dialects, making it a go-to tool for global brands and multilingual creators. Multimodal AI engine. This thing doesn't just animate lips, it listens, interprets, and performs your voice with shocking realism. That's what makes it feel alive, not just animated. It's not just a tech demo, it's a production studio in your browser. 3. 11 wild, real-world examples. Now, let's get into the fun part. Real-world examples. These are actual videos created using HeyGen Avatar IV. Some by early testers, others by content creators who just wanted to see how far they could push the tech. And let's be honest, some of these are wild. 1. Hyper-real facial expressions by Im Xiaohu. Using just a photo and a 30-second script, the avatar blinks, pauses, reacts with micro-expressions, and even syncs emotion to sentence rhythm. It even tilts its head at the right moment. Feels like a real person. See demo.
Let's change something, you and me, like stars rewriting destiny. Hold my heart, don't let it go. Together we can start to grow. Love is more than just a word, it's every truth we've ever heard. Let's change something.
2. Talking avatar from a single photo by Angry Tom. Tom drops the bomb. It's over. He uploads a headshot, writes a quick script, and boom, the avatar speaks like him, looks like him, even breathes like him. This is 100% AI. I'm not okay.
I'm just a small-town girl living in a lonely world. Sorry, I'm a terrible singer, but did you know you can turn a single photo and script into a high-quality avatar video using our new Avatar 4 model?
3. Animation-friendly performance by Alan T. Used for an animated project. Avatar 4 held up surprisingly well under stylized environments. It works even when composited into cartoon scenes. See it in action.
Class chick, these other girls look bummy. Dripping when I walk, these other girls not drippy. Glamorous like Fergie, ooh, so flirty. I like my pockets chubby, your pockets anorexic skinny like they doing yoga. We at the hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. This another track that got them sweating out their tracks.
4. Full video lip sync by Stevie Mac. This one shows flawless lip movement at 1080p 25 FPS. No cuts, just pure sync. It looks filmed. Check it out.
This is Commander Ilara Voss, ISS Hesperia. If you're seeing this, something's gone very wrong. 4 hours ago, our main reactor began to overload. We thought it was just a spike. But then the AI locked us out of manual controls. It's no glitch. This was intentional. Someone or something rewrote the failsafes. We have less than 90 minutes before the core goes critical. Quarantine protocols failed. Whatever's loose in here, it's learning.
5. Benchmark test reaction by AI Warper. Used to benchmark image and audio realism, and Avatar 4 crushed it. This might be the first Avatar I can't tell is fake. See it in action.
Something like near and dear to me is like women in gaming, right? Like that's something you guys hear me talk about quite often. And he was one of the first people to really step up for girls and to speak out and to...
6. Scripted for a TV show by PJ Ace. Used Avatar 4 in a pilot for a biblical animation series. The results? We're getting close to Hollywood AI. See demo.
You defied your god and boarded my ship. Oh, you have condemned us all.
7. Singing Muppets by Amira Zairi. This one's pure chaos. Muppet characters lip-syncing to uploaded audio perfectly. I can't believe this worked. See demo.
Hi there. Yes, I'm a talking Muppet. I was stitched together with love, caffeine, and a bit of emotional damage. People say I look smart with these glasses, but let's be real. I only wear them to see the snack shelf more clearly. I've got the brain of a genius and the attention span of a goldfish. Anyway, follow me for more wisdom, chaos, and random facts I learned at 2 a.m.
8. Mass content generator by Alvaro Cintas. One photo, one cloned voice, infinite content. Head tilts, pauses, emotion. We already saw creators hit 1 million views with this. See it here.
HeyGen just launched their new Avatar 4 model, so I decided to create a tutorial using my avatar and showing you how I created it. First thing that you have to do is going into heygen.com. Then you should see a button that says Photo to Video with Avatar 4. Click there. Then you will have to upload an image, connect your voice, and then just select Generate Video.
Yes, I bake. No, you can't survive what I've been through. Me, having a breakdown. No, silly, this is my sparkle era. I don't compete, darling. I observe. Then I win. The drama? I don't create it. It follows me like a fan base.
Hey, you said you wanted a strong brand image. Well, here I am. Statuesque. Unbothered. Unpaid. But negotiable.
9. Nearly Perfect Realism by Hendo AI. Not good, nearly perfect. Lip movement, eye blinks, shoulder motion, it all adds up. This doesn't feel like AI. It feels like cheating. Check it out.
So I was always on Twitter, literally since high school. Then Elon bought it, so I got my bird tattoo removed. Felt like new era, right? I got my X tattoo last summer, right here. And here, now everyone's getting theirs removed because they're mad about revenue or whatever. No, I'm not doing that. I love X. I'm all in. X is the best place on the internet.
10. Influencer from a Side Angle by INJ HQ. The avatar even worked in a 70-degree side profile, lip-syncing with clarity and subtle shoulder motion. The left hand coordinated with the tone. That's detail. See demo.
Hey old friends, long time no see. My name is Lisa. You know, lately there's been a lot of buzz about digital humans. Honestly, when I hear about it, it gives me this kind of weird feeling. Like, they're talking about a part of me, you know? Because if you really think about it, the me you're chatting with right now, well, this is a digital me too, kind of an avatar built on a real me somewhere. Creating this digital version of myself in the first place was kind of to make up for some what ifs, or maybe to try out some things that felt a bit out of reach in real life. You guys know how it is. Time and space can be such a drag, making us miss out on cool stuff, and sometimes the things we really want to say just get stuck in our throats. You know, lately there's been a lot of buzz about digital humans. Honestly, when I hear about it, it gives me this kind of weird feeling. Like, they're talking about a part of me, you know? Because if you really think about it, the me you're chatting with right now, well, this is a digital me too, kind of an avatar built on a real me somewhere. Creating this digital version of myself in the first place was kind of to make up for some what ifs, or maybe to try out some things that felt a bit out of reach in real life. You guys know how it is. Time and space can be such a drag, making us...
11. Newscaster with Street Interview with Voiceover by Captain Haha. Multiple avatars, different voice inputs, background audio. It felt like a live newscast. I recorded the voices, added effects, and that's it. See it in action.
This just in. Looks like HeyGen's got a new avatar lip-syncing model, and it is quite impressive. We took to the streets to see what people thought of it themselves.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I've been using it for about 20 minutes now, and I've got to say my lips feel pretty synced.
Well, I'm quite the actress, so I have a rap album coming out called Nana Don't You Do It, and I think HeyGen's going to be great for helping me with that.
I'm testing out the new Avatar 4 to see how it handles masks. I think the ears really bring it all together.
Well, yeah, I do like cornflakes, but I will take Cocoa Puffs if they are available.
12. Bonus Demo. A Singing Avatar by Min Choi.
If I were God for a day, I would open the gates, tell my grandma she's late, and pour some wine. I'd make a place for my dad. He can stay for a while. He doesn't have to go back, 'cause he did his time. Dear God, I don't know how you do it. I'm just trying to be human. Oh my God, I can't believe you chose me to watch over these babies. Thank you, God.
And yes, all of these were made with one photo, one script, no crew. 4. Applications and use cases. Okay, so it looks cool, but how do people actually use this in real life? Let's break it down. Education. Teachers and course creators use Avatar 4 to explain topics in multiple languages without ever stepping in front of a camera. Marketing. Brands build spokesperson avatars to deliver product demos, promos, or support messages, all scalable and multilingual. Influencers and creators. Turn a selfie into a virtual host. Post daily without ever filming yourself. Entertainment. Create characters, narrators, even background cast members for animated series or social media skits. Corporate training and internal comms. HR teams and execs use it for onboarding, updates, or company culture videos. With one image and a script, you're suddenly everywhere. 5. Ethics, limitations, and feedback. Now let's address the elephant in the room. This tech is powerful, maybe a little too powerful. Because when you can turn a photo into a lifelike talking avatar, the potential for misuse is real. That's why HeyGen has built-in moderation filters and uses human reviewers to block content that promotes bullying, misinformation, or impersonation. But still, some creators have flagged 2 to 6 hour review delays, which can slow down workflows. Also, Avatar 4 videos can't be edited in HeyGen Studio after they're created. So if you want to tweak one word or facial gesture, you'll need to re-upload and regenerate. And while English output is impressive, some users report clunky lip sync in non-English languages, especially those with very different phonetics. Customer support? It's hit or miss. Some say it's helpful, others say it's unreachable. Still, the feedback overall? Overwhelmingly amazed. Cautiously optimistic. 6. Getting started and final thoughts. So how do you try HeyGen Avatar 4 for yourself? Here's the quick walkthrough. 1. Go to HeyGen's website, link in the description. 2. Click photo to video with Avatar 4. 3. Upload a high-quality photo. 4. Paste your script or upload an audio file. 5. Choose a voice. 6. Click generate, and that's it. Within seconds, you'll have a lifelike avatar video that talks, gestures, and feels real. Whether you're making content, running a business, or just curious, this isn't the future. It's right now. So go ahead, upload a photo, give it a voice, and watch your face come to life. Because with HeyGen Avatar 4, nothing is fake, but everything feels real. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.